Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to group rows. So if you want to group rows, you can select the rows. I will select in here and you can right click, go to view more row action and then you can click group rows. So it will be automatically groupings and then you can minimize by clicking at this icon. I will select again from this row number 9 into 15, right click and then you can choose a few more row action and then use group rows. You can minimize this group. To show, you can click again this plus icon to maximize and also in it. And if you want to remove this group, you can select the group, right click and then you can click remove group. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to group rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.